Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to yet another English grammar class. Okay, we were studying literally about tenses last time. Today we are going to start with the conditionals. You know what is the meaning of condition? Yeah, in literal terms, a condition is a situation. Okay, in a given situation, how we are going to tell something or imagine or something like that. So you can literally see on the board, I have written some words there. That is conditional 1, condition 2 and conditional 3. There are 3 types of conditional items. For first thing we can tell what is it. We are using something. We are telling a situation I told you earlier. So what is situation? Situation is an action. We are telling about an action. Alright. So how we are telling it, it depends on the condition. Condition is what it is, what type or what condition, what situation it is. Alright. So conditions are sentences in which one part states a condition for the action. The condition is like this, so like this, or if is used there. So the first condition, we have 2 parts in that sentence and the 2 parts will be coming up with an if, if. Okay, so if part is 1 and the second part is main part, okay, which shows the action. If I am coming early, I will come to your house. So the action is given later on, the main action is given later on, and first you have the if part. Did you get me? So here they have given an example, if it rains today, and we put a comma for it because this is first part is over because if is there inside. If is a condition, if it is raining today, comma, we will get wet. If it rains, we will get wet. Naturally, we are going to get wet. Next sentence says, if I hear from Ajay, if I hear from my friend Ajay, what will you do? I will let you know. I will let you know about it. If. So, every time when we use the first condition, it is if. It starts with if. Okay. So, you have to understand that condition 1 always have a if for it, and that is the first part, if part plus main part. Main part is the action. Did you all get me? Even I am showing an action. This is a if part is for first action and plus the main action word that comes in the second part. Alright. So let's move on to the second condition. What is the second condition? Alright. We are not discussing like if it is going to dash, if it is going to smell good, the roses and all that. We are going to imagine something. Imagination, creativity. We are making something inside our mind. We are making pictures, we are creating some imaginative creations inside our brains so that we can express it. How will we express it? Yeah, that is the conditional number 2. Imaginary conditions. We are telling if I were a butterfly, if I were a dove, I could fly high. Okay, so we are imagining things. If I was an angel, okay, I would wear white and I will have feathers and wings and all that. So if is imaginary over there. Okay, we are using if as imagination. Alright, did you get me? So the first one is totally different from the second one. First one is not imagination, it is real life. Okay, and the second one is always imaginary. If I could do that, if I was like that, if I was a robot, I could work so fast, isn't it? So that type of a feeling. Then the next one, the last one comes, the third conditional. It is talking about the past. Okay, what is it telling us about? Yes, the past history or something. If we want to describe about the past history of somebody or something, we use the conditional number 3. So how is it are used to talk about the past? How if the condition had been met, the result would have been different. Alright, we are telling about something about the past. Oh, if I had studied science instead of commerce, my life would have been different. Okay, so the third condition is talking about always the past, and we are regretting, or we may what is the opposite of regret? Yeah, we are nurturing that. All right, we are telling, yes, fine, I did this, I have taken this correct decision by taking the science, okay, instead of commerce. All right, so this type are called conditionals. Condition, a situation, we are telling about certain situation with an action taking place. Okay, so did you all understand all the three conditionals? Use of if and main part is the first conditional. The second conditional is imaginary conditions. We are talking about imagination, creativity. Okay, and then third one, last one, we talk about the past life of somebody or some action. All right, yeah, go through your books and keep intact the exercises. All right, thank you, students.